Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a card reader on a vending machine. First, it's crucial to confirm your vending machine's compatibility with the card reader you've selected. Many modern machines are ready, but older models might need an MDB adapter for proper communication. Before starting, gather your tools, including a drill, screwdriver, and all necessary cables, such as the MDB and antenna cables, to ensure a smooth installation process. Now, let's move on to the physical installation. Always begin by powering down your vending machine completely for safety. Next, use the provided template to drill pilot holes for mounting the card reader and its telemeter. Securely attach both components to the machine. Then, connect the MDB cable, which facilitates communication, the DEX cable for data, and the antenna, ensuring a strong cellular signal for transactions. Proper cable management with zip ties is also recommended. With the hardware in place, it's time for configuration and testing. Access your vending machine's operator menu and navigate to payment settings. Here, you'll need to enable the MDB card reader and configure any specific cashless payment options. Once configured, perform several test transactions using different payment methods, such as credit cards and mobile wallets. This ensures the card reader is communicating properly and accepting payments as expected, typically taking a few minutes to fully activate. Finally, let's cover troubleshooting and maintenance. If your card reader isn't working, first check all cable connections and ensure the machine has power. Often, a simple restart of both the vending machine and the card reader can resolve minor software glitches. Regularly clean the card reader slot to prevent issues with card detection. Also, monitor your signal strength and perform firmware updates when recommended by the manufacturer to maintain optimal performance and security for your cashless payment system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.